Welcome to this video, how to use a Domino's coupon code. If this video helps you out, drop a like onto it and let's just get into it. Okay, so you just want to go to the Domino's for your location and then basically you want to choose what you want to order. Now I've already added some stuff to my cart to make this process much easier, but basically you'll click here where it says order online and you'll add everything to your cart that you would like to order. Now to apply your coupon code, just click onto your cart and then you can see this is what I picked for my order, and then you want to click go to checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, you can see a coupon is already applied and I saved 119. But basically if you want to add another coupon that you've gotten, you want to scroll down on your order page and right over here it says coupon DDL reg applied. So basically you want to get your coupon code that you got for Domino's and you want to enter in your coupon code right there. And then you click onto add and that's going to apply the coupon to your order. And then once you've done that, you can click onto continue to checkout and then you just place your order as normal. But make sure that you go to the bottom here and you enter in your coupon code to get that discount applied. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it and I'll see you in the next video.